Introducing PetiCare, the new pain-free nail trimmer that actually lets you see what you're doing. Pets have an internal vein called the quick. PetiCare highlights the quick, making it easier for you to safely cut your pet's nails.
It's very important to make sure that your pet's nails are clipped on a regular basis. The PetiCare, it makes it a lot easier to cut accurately so you don't cause any pain or discomfort for your pet.
PetiCare features a nail trapper to catch flying debris. Plus, the nail trapper doubles as a magnifier to help you see close up. You love your pets and they love you. Show them you care by trimming their nails with PetiCare.